My trunk is not opening. Or this kind of a sound. It's very faint. It's like a little click. Crawl in, grab it. Now it's up. Open the trunk. See that? It's kind of like a half moon. A little hard to see it. See that? Should open, but see that? It only went very slowly. So my trunk latch does not work anymore. I'll show you how to remove it and install a new one. It's very easy to do. I'm definitely certain now it is the motor, and I'm going to put on a new one. These are the only tools you'll need: a ratchet 10mm socket, flat tip screwdriver, and a pry bar. Grab a pry bar. We're going to remove these clips. That's one. That's two. Pull these out. This one, too. And it just slides straight out, like so. Next, you'll see right here, there's a little clip right here. Go ahead and wiggle that off. That's good. Remember the position of this wire. Grab a 10mm socket and a ratchet. And just go ahead and unscrew those. Both sides. Go ahead and loosen it. And just remember the placement of this. So here's the old one hooked up. See how slow that is? Here's how the new one sounds. See how much fast that was? Look at that. Wow, big difference. The old one had no power. This one has a lot more power, and that's what allows it to pop open the trunk. Now to reinstall it. Now you'll see two holes there, two right there. Don't worry about that. This is going right there, the top two. I screwed that one the right side in partially. Now I'm going to get the left one. Doing the other one, make sure this piece, make sure the wire is connected. Make sure that goes here, like so. Now go ahead and line it up and screw in my hand. Now grab your 10mm socket and ratchet and go ahead and tighten it. Both sides. Now that it's nice and tight, now it is safe to connect it. There we go. Slip the cover back on. Line up the snap clips. Push it in. Okay. And then to make the final secure, pop these in. These little plugs. Let's go in. Also very important, make sure the handle goes through here. And then make sure you hear a click sound, like that. That way you know it's in. This won't be then like flapping around. This way when you close the trunk, this won't, be right here. Now to test it. There you go. It works. No more crawling into the trunk for me. If this video helped, please like and subscribe and check out some of my other helpful videos. Very easy to do. Should take less than 15 minutes just to complete this. Hope this helps. Thank you.